Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a pineapple upside down cake. This recipe has been in my family for many years. My mom used to make it all the time and we all loved it. We're going to start with the ingredients. 1 stick of butter we're going to use for now. Sugar, 1½ cup of sugar. 2 eggs. 2½ cups of all-purpose flour. I'm using this kind. 1/2 cup of milk. I'm also gonna use about 1/2 can of the pineapple cube. I'll put a picture on the screen here for you so you can see it better. About 1/2 can, as much as you want to put in it. And vanilla, a teaspoon of vanilla. And the baking powder, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and also 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, and also the pineapples that go on top of the cake. Make sure that the butter is softened as much as possible, not liquidy but softened. Yeah, so I cut it up like this and I'm gonna put it in the microwave for a few minutes, just like that. Microwaved. There we go. This is a very easy recipe. If you want to add a little bit more butter, like 1/2 of a stick more, you can do that. Okay, now we add the sugar, 1.5 cups, and the 2 eggs. Now the flour. 2½ cups of that, but we're going to incorporate it little by little. And the rest of the flour. No, this isn't working out. I'm gonna just use the fork. Let me get all this stuff out of here. And I'm gonna continue with the fork. Okay, now the milk. 1/2 cup of milk. And we're gonna add 1/2 cup of the pineapple juice, or the liquid that's in the can of the pineapple. 1/2 cup of that. And we're gonna add some of the pineapples, like 1/2 can. And 3 teaspoons of the baking powder. 3 teaspoons of that. Level them off. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla or vanilla extract. And a pinch of salt. Three little pinch of salt. Now, I'm gonna mix this together. Don't use an electric mixer because you'll chop the pieces of pineapple that are in there. Now we're gonna set the oven preheated. We have the batter ready. gonna add a little bit more pineapple. And I preheated the oven to 350. So I used a little bit more than half a can of the pineapple. They're not crushed pineapple. They're cube pineapple. And this is the mold I'm going to use. It's an all frying pan that lost the handle. It's about 2 inches, 2 inches high. And that's where the handle used to be. And it's perfect for this cake. I'm going to spray the bottom of it with a butter spray or spray butter, just to make sure that it doesn't stick. And now we'll use a stick of butter. And half a cup of brown sugar. If you want, you can add a little bit more, but I'm going to use half a cup. Mix this together. Just like that. And we're going to cover the bottom of this pan with this mixture. Just like that. Make sure the edges are covered. And now we're going to place the pineapple all around the pan, the sliced pineapple. I used 8 of them. And tuck it in real good, like that. Just like that. And now we're gonna put maraschino cherry, maraschino, in the center of each pineapple. Make sure you take off the stem of each of them. If they have a stem, take them off, please. Just like that. How pretty is that? And now the batter. I'm gonna pour the batter over those pineapples. And level it off as much as possible. And there we have it. And the oven is on. I'm gonna set it on 350. It's already at 350 for 1 hour. Now I'm gonna put it on this oven pan. And there we have it, an hour later. So I check to make sure that it's cooked all the way through. Now it comes out clean. And now I wait approximately 10 to 15 minutes to make sure that it's cool before I turn it onto the plate. it all over. Use a knife if you need to, carefully to lift it off. And there we have it. Yeah, two of the pineapples stayed on the pan, but that's okay. Just put it right on there, making sure that it covers those cherries. Now we have a little bit of the sugar, melted sugar, and I'm going to put it right over the cake. And also bring those sides off. That's what it looks like, all finished, the finished part. And that's when we cut it, that's what it looks like, very moist and delicious. May God bless you and keep you safe. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye.